My persona is Maddie, a 29-year-old woman from Sydney. She works as a graphic designer and is studying UX design. She loves trying new technology and keeps up to date with the latest apps. She has a busy life and is trying to fit studying around working. Her goal is to learn new vocabulary for her course in a quick and efficient way. For Maddie, the problem she faces is fitting in learning new UX terms into her busy schedule. She needs a quick and efficient way to learn new vocabulary for her UX design course because she feels she isn't spending enough time studying. We all know this to be true, and we see that Maddie feels more confident with the new vocabulary for her UX design course. The challenges Maddie faces when she is learning new vocabulary are fitting learning new vocabulary into her busy life, finding a way to learn in a visual manner, finding a fun way to learn so she is more motivated. To create the right app for Maddie, we started by thinking about the main goals she would want to achieve from the app. The first two we thought about were to learn new UX design terms and to review the definition of a saved term. From these, we drew some user flows. From the user flows, we sketched the first prototype. Adding on from the first two user goals, we also added the tasks onboarding and to play a quiz on UX design terms. We decided to call the app UX Glossary. With our first prototype sketched, it was time to test it. We conducted 10-minute usability tests with 3 participants. The tasks we tested were to open the app and complete onboarding, test your vocabulary using the flashcards, review definition of a saved favourite word, play a quiz to test your knowledge. We chose these tasks as we felt they were the most important features of the app. From doing the usability tests, we identified some problems with the prototype. These included that there wasn't a way to save a favourite term, flashcards wasn't a clear category, there should be an option to skip the notification setting. To improve on the problems the first prototype had, we redesigned the app by changing the navigation of the app so that the flashcards were the first screen you see when you open the app as an existing user. This made it clear that the flashcards were the main feature of the app. We added a navigation bar at the bottom of the screen, which takes you to the secondary features of the app, such as the library and quiz. We added a save button on the flashcards, which makes it easy for users to save a term and come back to it later. The next stage for us is to conduct another round of usability tests to further improve the app. After this, we will create a mid-fidelity prototype and test that. Finally, we will create a high-fidelity prototype, which will feature the app logo and the UI design. We will keep testing with users at all stages. From this design process, I learned how important good research is to creating a finished product that is useful and necessary, that I really enjoyed organising information and coming up with an app which flows and is clear and concise, that you have to keep referring to the problem statement and user persona in order to stay focused and create a useful app. Thank you for listening.